I'm Alexander De Torres, currently living at Cainta.
Sama kayo?
I'm 47 years old.
Gaano katagal na po kayong deboto ng Nazarene?
I've been devoto for Black Nazarene. This is my 15 years actually.
Sir, nahawakan nyo ba yung andas kanina?
Yes, ma'am.
Kamusta po?
Yeah, this time very difficult because some of them have beginners. Yun lang.
Kung ikukumpara nyo po nung nakaraang taon, mas maayos po ba? Mas mabilis nyo po ba nahawakan yung andas?
Depends po, ma'am Depende sa sitwasyon. Pero I'll try my best para makahawak sa andas and to pull the rope as well.
Last year po, nahawakan nyo rin po yung andas.
Yes, ma'am. Every time I will try to hold this andas.
Ngayon, sir, pauwi na ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
May kasama po kayo ngayong araw?
No, ma'am. Probably I have friends from Paco, Manila.
Paco,
But this
Manila.
time I cannot find them
Oo.
because a lot
May
of
kawalaan
people.
na.
Yes, ma'am. It's true.
Okay, sige po. Maraming salamat, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.